It's finally time. I am unboxing my first Brandon Blackwood. Stay tuned to see what I got. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name's Caleb. I post luxury and lifestyle related content every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So if that's something you're into, which I mean, you're here, so just between us, I'm assuming it's something you're into. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, say hi down in the comments, find me over on Instagram at caleb.snell.designer. And what are we doing today? We are unboxing my very first Brandon Blackwood. I am so freaking excited, you guys. I wanted a Brandon Blackwood now for what seems like two or 3 years. It's been a good minute, and every time I talk about, you know, like maybe like my favorites for like spring, summer, fall, winter, like, you know, those kind of lists, Brandon Blackwood always makes it onto that list. I don't know why I've slept on it for so long, but like I finally bought my very first one. When I pull it out, if you've been around my channel for a minute, you're gonna be like, oh duh, no, that's a Caleb Snell bag 100. And you're not wrong. However, I am so freaking excited. This bag was first released last year around my birthday. Missed out on it the first time. In fact, according, like I was doing some research, because as you all know, the Brandon Blackwood drop happened last Friday. I'm filming this on Monday. That's how quickly I got this bag. I was researching this bag just to kind of like see like what reviews were out there and whatnot. There weren't a whole lot. There was like a couple of videos on TikTok, and one of the girls on there was like, oh, this bag sold out in like 4 minutes. So I was like, oh my God, you know, it's gonna be a battle. Like I'm gonna have to get ready. Like, you know, I had my Brandon Blackwood like account with all my info saved. I told my husband like, okay, here's the link. If I don't get it on my phone, like you have to order it on yours. Like we need to tag team this because I cannot not have this bag. We're texting back and forth, and he's like 5 minutes before the drop at like noon Eastern. He's like, oh, you can add it to cart now. I'm like, what the fuck? So I ran to the back. I'm like, oh my gosh, you know, add to cart, Apple Pay, done and done. And the bag still hasn't sold out yet. Apparently after I put my order in, the website, like I guess crashed because there were so many people on there trying to order, which I don't blame you guys. There were some fire bags dropped last Friday. So then what makes matters worse, like we were checking the website after I put my order in, I'm like refresh. It was like pre-order, item might arrive by like mid-May. Like really? You're killing me, Brandon Blackwood. I want my new bag. However, super freaking crazy. Ordered this noonish on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, arrived today by lunch. Today is Monday. That was super freaking fast. Anyway, let's get this out of the box. So when you order a Brandon Blackwood, it comes in a beautiful, glossy, it's a thick box. It's really good quality, quite frankly, you guys. And when you open it up, there's the bag. There's like a foam frame around the bag to just like keep it that much more protected, which is fabulous. Now, first and foremost, before we get into the bag, let's get into the envelope. So I think when he first started, like each bag came with like a personal, like written and signed card, like saying like, hey, thanks for your purchase. Here's mine. Now, unfortunately, like I looked at it a little bit closer and I think you can tell that it's pixelated. So I don't think he hand writes these anymore, but like it's the thought that counts. Like it's just that extra touch, which is kind of amazing, not gonna lie. Especially when you consider, I think like his most expensive handbag is like under $1,000. Like what? Anyway, here's my new beauty. You guys, I am so excited. Oh, before we get into it, pause, drop down in the comments, like if you're familiar with the Brandon Blackwood catalog, like I am, like I'm on there almost every day now. Let me know down in the comments like which model you think I bought, and for bonus points, like which color. Okay, we'll wait for you. Take your time. Go on, go, drop your answers. Okay, come back up. Now guys, I am so excited. So this is, quite frankly, one of the nicest dust bags that I have encountered in a very long time. It's beautiful, it's thick, you can tell that it's a natural fiber, and that is so nice. And the quality of the bag does not disappoint either. I am blown away. Like this is not gonna be my final Brandon Blackwood purchase by any means. All right, if you guys guessed the Jasmine, you're not wrong. Okay, I got the Jasmine in black, and this bag is beyond, just beyond. It is absolutely freaking amazing. So this is giving me, like if you're familiar with my collection, you know I love my Hermès Kelly. I love my Fendi Peekaboos. I love like all of my like cute little top handle bags. And this checks all the boxes. It's in a beautiful, kind of like a box calf leather. However, there is a little bit more of like a distressed kind of veining to it, which I am totally here for. Before we dive in too far, let's get this bad boy undressed. I don't know know about you, but I think I need a cigarette after all that. I am totally kidding. That did not turn out as nearly as cute as I thought it would be. That was some intense plastic wrap, you guys. I'm not even kidding. Anyway, let's talk about some of the design cues. So this bag, very Kelly-esque. You have the top handle. You have the cute B for Brandon Blackwood. Love that moment. And this fun little clochette fob here at the front as well. I love that they paired this shiny black kind of box calf leather with like a nice kind of muted gold hardware. Like, this is a classic bag. Can you just like imagine this like restoration hardware for lunch, perched on the table, like 100% a vibe. Also, as you can tell, it comes with a crossbody. Hey, crossbody strap. And overall, this is a really cute bag, you guys, honestly. And you're not gonna believe me when I tell you the price. I don't really believe it either. Like, I'm looking at this thing and it is so gorgeous. I'm like, really? I would have paid like 5 times more than that, but this was only $275 for this gorgeous calfskin bag, classic styling, and the best part, it's leather lined. Yes, it is. So this bag, truly absolutely gorgeous. The interior is just marked Brandon Blackwood, New York. And here is the tag. Oh, that's a big tag. That's what she said. I am totally kidding, you guys. So in here, oh, that's like really in the plastic. I don't know what it says, but just know that there's a tag. And honestly, you guys, it's not a huge bag overall, but it has like a nice shape to it. So I think I could easily get like a full-size wallet in there. And there's a slip pocket as well. And it's lined in this beautiful, rich, buttery leather. How is this only $275? Like, what is the magic? Let's see. Does it fit a phone? Can it fit the big iPhone Pro Max? Whatever. Yeah, it does. That is in there, and it's not even pushing up against the sides. The team at Brandon Blackwood outdid themselves. This is like the perfect bag, and I'm literally gonna have to buy every single color. What colors are available, you ask? I love that about you. Please stay curious. If you are interested in the Brandon Blackwood Jasmine bag, this comes in black, green, red, a beautiful shade of mahogany, which I think I'm gonna add next. There's a white, but the white has the silver hardware, and it's still a vibe, but it's a little bit more modern, more clean than the gold hardware, in my opinion. There is an all Python version, which was like high at the top of my list, but I was like, ooh, when you're new to a brand, do you really want to go like full exotic right off the bat? I went with classic black. Also, because I've been wanting to add like a black box Kelly to my collection, and that's going to be a minute. Like $275 is a lot better than like 11 grand. Let's just be serious. It is what it is. And then last but not least, but sold out, is the orange. Now this bag, size-wise, not a big bag. 8.9 inches in length, 8.7 inches tall, 3.7 inches wide. The crossbody strap has a length of 18 to 22 inches and comes with the dust bag, crossbody strap, the custom box, which is absolutely stunning. Designed in New York City, but imported. So it is what it is. Now, composition, you're probably curious. This is 100% cowhide leather. The hardware is brass and the lining is leather as well, but they don't say what kind of lining the leather is. So hopefully it's like a Chev or something good like that. There is a caveat, and it says that, you know, the oil leather has been reformulated. So this is the oil leather, I'm assuming, but I don't know what went wrong the first time around because, like I said, there's not a whole lot of information about this bag out there. The best part, you're probably most curious, like what else is great about the bag? Feet, 4 gold brass feet, which I still have my covers on. Like, are we ready to take the covers off? These little covers are super cute. Oh my God, these feet are beautiful. Look at that, you guys. I love this bag. Now, if you've been watching my designer bag collection videos, I just posted the designer bag collection, which has like my Hermès, Gucci, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, all the good stuff, went up about 2 weekends ago. Most recently, we had the Coach and Dooney and Berg collection go up. And if you guys watched that one, then you know I forgot I had 81 bags. Well, this is bag number 82. And let's be honest, at this price point, probably 3, 4, 5, and 86. Let's just be real. I want all the colors. I'm not gonna lie. There's so much at Brandon Blackwood, and now that I know, like, the quality does not disappoint, like, I'm gonna go a little crazy. I said what I said, safe space. Don't judge me. Thank you guys for joining me today. I am super excited to switch into this. Make sure to join Zane and I in our live tomorrow night, Thursday, 8 p.m. Central Time. I'll talk a little bit more about this and give you guys like the deets for like the first day out. If you want to, I mean, don't buy them all up because I need to get them before they sell out, but feel free to buy the Brandon Blackwood Jasmine bag because is this not phenomenal? I cannot stop gushing about this bag. I cannot wait to carry it to Easter. This is fabulous, you guys. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, guys, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you guys, well, tomorrow night, and then Friday for a vlog, and then Sunday for another sit down. The Longchamp collection actually on Sunday. Anyway, have fun, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. How is this only $275?